Brocade at VMware has had a very long-standing relationship, and we are very excited to continue that moving forward, complementing our solutions and providing added value to our customers.
We're happy to be announcing this week our integration with NSX through our design partnership with VMware. NSX is providing new levels of automation, protection, and agility for Deep Security, our security virtualization solution for VMware customers. We're excited to be showing off our new demos and shipping with the vSphere 5.5 and VMware NSX. Please check out our new solutions on our website.
We made an exciting announcement about our partnership with VMware, where we are announcing a joint solution, plans to introduce a joint solution for the software-defined networking and network virtualization. This solution provides three main benefits. First of all, it provides the interoperability and openness, east-west interoperability between the controllers. This is the first time. The second benefit of this solution is really the visibility that we provide both for the underlay and the overlay networks, because the overlay networks may not have the visibility around the congestion and other physical conditions that may be happening in the physical network. That's a key benefit of combining the overlay and the underlay network. And this is delivered through an application that we will be introducing. It's called Converged Control Application. This will provide visibility working with our Intelligent Management Center, which is our management platform, to deliver the benefits of the combined single point of control. We are also introducing a switch, FlexFabric 5930 top of the rack switch. This switch works with the NSX controller, which talks to WAN SDN controller, HP WAN SDN controller using OVSDB protocol to provide the endpoint termination for VXLAN tunnel. So what it does, it really provides the connectivity for those environments which may not be virtualized to end the tunnel to the bare metal servers, where the customers may be using a combination of virtual machines as well as the physical machines. So a really exciting announcement, a step forward around the software-defined networking, and another proof point of our leadership in the software-defined networking. Thank you for watching.
Rapid7 Nexpose is tightly integrated with NSX to allow you to quickly understand your risk around application, operating system, and security misconfiguration, risk and vulnerabilities, such that you can quickly patch or remediate those in an easy-to-use manner and work with IT effectively to reduce your risk.
NetScaler is a market leader in the application delivery controller space, and we've been powering some of the largest internet clouds in the market for many years. Today, we are excited to announce NetScaler Control Center that is responsible for dynamic on-demand instantiation of new NetScaler ADC services in orchestrated cloud environments. Along with this announcement, we are also pleased to announce NetScaler Control Center integration with VMware NSX virtualization platforms. Through this integration, customers get to deploy and manage new NetScaler ADC services in VMware virtualized network environments.
Hi, I'm Aurélie Fontenay with Cumulus Networks. So at Cumulus Networks, we provide a Linux operating system for networking gear. So basically, we provide the physical network infrastructure, and we are complementary with the VMware NSX network virtualization platform. We are also one of the NSX partners in that we provide layer 2 gateway services to connect physical workload onto virtual networks. So now, with our integration and the fact that Cumulus Linux gateways can register with VMware NSX controller, you get one single point of management and orchestration for your virtual and your physical workloads.